Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is going to be the very first video of my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you the differences between the microprocessor and microcontroller. But before that, let me tell you that we also call microprocessor as MUP and we call microcontroller MUC. So let's start the differences. So the first difference would be the definition itself. What is the definition of microprocessor? So microprocessor is basically a CPU which is designed for general purpose computing. So what do you mean by general purpose computing? So general purpose computing, it means it can be running operating system, or browsing the internet, and the microprocessor needs external components like RAM and ROM. And whereas in the other hand, microcontroller means simply a compact single chip with a CPU, RAM, ROM integrated on it, and it is designed for specific tasks. And the example of microprocessor is Intel Core i5, as we have processors like i3, i5, and now we also have i7, I think. And on the other hand, the example of microcontroller would be simply Arduino Uno. Now the second difference between them would be the power consumption. So in terms of power consumption, microprocessor consumes more power as it has external devices, whereas on the other hand, microcontroller consumes low power and it's basically ideal for battery operated devices. Now let's move on to the next point. So the next definition would be simply their applications. So microprocessors have their applications in computers, laptops, and smartphones. And for microcontrollers, they have their applications in washing machines, refrigerators, but there can be many more. Now the next definition between them would be of cost. So as microprocessors have external component requirements, so obviously their cost would be more. Whereas for microcontrollers, they are cost effective as all the components are integrated on it. Now the next difference between them would be of input-output capability. So as the microprocessor does not have built-in input-output ports, the external components are being required if we want to connect devices like keyboard, displays, etc. And whereas for microcontrollers, as they already have built-in ports, so it allows it to directly connect sensors, motors, LEDs, or many more devices. These were the 5 differences between microprocessors and microcontrollers. Although there can be many more differences, but these 5 were the basic differences. So I hope you understood about them in a much better way. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.